Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming ownership and collecting evidence, receipt, serial number, or account access, because manufacturers will require proof. Once done, record the exact system model and BIOS version so support can target instructions. Make a full data backup and connect reliable power. This prevents corruption if an update or service is needed. Do not attempt bypass tricks. Instead, prepare documentation and steady power, because legitimate recovery routes depend on verification and correct system details. Next, contact the device vendor or authorized reseller and describe the locked BIOS. Provide the serial, proof of purchase, and the BIOS version so they can confirm entitlement. That speeds verification. Ask if they offer a documented recovery method, master set policy, or require an authorized service center. Make clear you will use official channels. This ensures any reset is logged, preserves warranty, and avoids voiding protections. Follow their instructions exactly to remain compliant. For final resolution, arrange an authorized reset through the vendor or an approved service center. They will perform the action safely and preserve warranty. Once the BIOS is reset, update the firmware if recommended, then set a new administrator password and record it in a secure password manager. If complications occur, escalate with the vendor, supplying your proof of ownership again. Remember, proper support safeguards your device and data. Do not follow unverified bypass methods that risk damage or legal issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.